Hi everyone, this is Manabendra. Actually, I and Pradip sir both have done a collaboration work. That means the physical education and that mathematics department have done a collaboration work on BMI. BMI means the body mass index of our body, and everybody should know that BMI level, right? So for that, you should take that measurement of your height in meter and that measurement of your body weight in kg. After that, put the data in a formula, and after that you can get to know that BMI level. That part will be that explained by the Pradip sir.
Thank you, Mr. Maji. It's a subject collaboration, not coalition, between mathematics and physical education. So, and the topic is BMI. So, body mass index is a value derived from the mass and height of a person. The BMI is defined as the body mass divided by the square of the body height and is universally expressed in units of kg per meter square, resulting from mass in kilograms and height in meters. That is why BMI is equal with mass by height square, and the unit will be kg per meter square. The importance of BMI. Your BMI is a measurement, that is a ratio of your weight and height. It's a good way to gauge whether your weight is in healthy proportion or your height to your height. In fact, knowing your BMI can help you to determine any health risks you may face if it's outside of the healthy range. The BMI scale 18.4 and under is known as underweight. 18.5 to 24.9 is denoted as healthy, and 25 to 29.9 accepted as overweight. Finally, 30 and above is next to obesity, and it's also in that group, final group, which is very danger zone. So keep an eye on your BMI. Next, problems due to being underweight or overweight. These are the two things. If you are in size, no problem. To keep yourself in size, you have to do some exercise always. So here, being overweight can lead to a range of chronic conditions including type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, heart or blood vessel problems, cardiovascular diseases, and musculoskeletal problems can be occurred. Here you see the person, all of you can observe it. His body is totally imbalanced. And next one, being underweight can result in other health issues like risk of malnutrition, osteoporosis, and anemia. So take care of your BMI. And some people, all of them are in normal range. So most of the sportsmen, they always try to keep their BMI within the accepted range. So see, here some renowned persons are there, and how they are just using their body, and the flexibility also you can observe. How to maintain a healthy BMI? Maintaining a healthy BMI takes some work. So always you have to do some work. Nowadays, during the lockdown periods, you have seen we have to keep our body fit. For that only, at least 30 to 40 minutes a day we have to spend for physical exercises. Staying hydrated, that means sufficient amount of water you have to drink, and balanced diet at the same time you have to follow. If your BMI is not where it should be, you may want to reduce your caloric intake and increase your exercise. Must avoid junk foods like chow mein, pizza, ice cream, sweets, biryani, etc. Because many of us have a tendency to flock in front of a snacks bar, and then finally we have started eating this one, which is not healthy one. Try to take sufficient amount of water, green leafy vegetables and fruits, which will be finally fruitful for your BMI. Calculation of BMI. How to calculate your BMI? here is a ready reckoner for you. From this chart you can also see your BMI. If your height is in feet and weight is in pound, then also you can calculate, or if your height is in centimeter and weight is in kg, that also can be calculated from here. So suppose someone's weight is 90 pound and height is 4 feet 8 inches. In that case also it is 20, that means your BMI. Or if the height is 142.2 centimeter and weight is 41 kg, that also BMI will give you 20. So both the systems are allowed, APS and your kilogram and meter also, MKS system is also applicable. Next, here you see myself and Mr. Maji try to display some exercise. Mr. Maji is showing some yoga and I am showing some free hand exercises, which is very much required. As we have discussed earlier, 30 to 40 minutes in a day you must do some exercise. 3 cases are there. If you are in overweight category, try to burn some calorie. If you are in underweight category, then try to earn some calorie. And if you are in normal range, try to keep the normalcy on. So you can see it and always try to follow, try to synchronize your hardware along with your software. Finally, don't feel shy, keep an eye on your BMI. If you want to be in size, do some regular exercise. Thank you.